So hello to all learners. Welcome to the Science Circle. Today in this video, you are going to learn about a famous great freedom fighter, the great leader and the first black president of South Africa, Mr. Nelson Mandela. So let's get to start. Nelson Mandela was the first black president of South Africa. He fought for his country and people to get emancipation from the suppression of white peoples. Before him, there was no right for the black people to become a president. After they got emancipation and Nelson Mandela became a first black president, he formed a first democratic non-racial government in South Africa. This lesson has been taken from his autobiography Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom, which is written by himself. This lesson is a small part of his biography. In this lesson, he told about his experience of the day of inauguration ceremony, the day when he took place as a president. So now let's look at the keywords of the lesson. The first keyword is apartheid. Apartheid is a political system that separates people according to their race, means partiality on the basis of skin color. The next one is the emancipation. Emancipation means freedom. The next one is the prejudice. Prejudice is the preconceived judgment. So next we who were outlaws, which means having no rights. It is used in the context of black peoples. So now let's move towards the summary. On the date of 10th May 1994, Nelson Mandela was in his inauguration ceremony. He was surrounded by lots of people and presidents of other countries. He took his place to obey the constitution and formed a democratic non-racial government. Afterwards, the ceremonial events took place. Soldiers saluted him, and two national anthems, one of black and one of whites, sung to respect both feelings. On that day, he became nostalgic by thinking about the earlier miserable condition of black peoples, the partial government who oppressed the black people. But now, this long period agony has ended and freedom achieved through several sacrifices. Then he remembered about some great freedom fighters of South Africa, from whom he get encouraged to fight for freedom. He learned to conquer his fear through courage. He believes that love and hate both learned by the people. No one hate or love from birth, but love is more natural to human beings than hate. He believes in humanity. He also talks about the two obligations of an individual. One is towards his family and the other one is towards his country. He believes that everyone is born free. The meaning of freedom was very different for him in his adulthood than his childhood and boyhood age. The desire of freedom turned him from a frightened young man into a bold man. He also believes that oppressed and oppressor both are not free because oppressed does not have his freedom and oppressor does not have his humanity. He is locked in his hatred. So now let's look at the themes, what we learned from these lessons. The first theme we have the patriotism. In this chapter, we can see the concept of patriotism as Nelson Mandela depicted his patriotism for his country and people. He fought for them and finally, after several struggles and sacrifices, he achieved the emancipation. Next, we have the theme of racial discrimination. For a long time period, black of South Africa had been oppressed by the white people and faced a lot of racial discrimination. They didn't had any rights and laws just because of their skin color. Next we have the theme of emancipation. After a long time period of oppression, agony, discrimination, struggle and sacrifices, people of South Africa got the emancipation and equality and rights regardless their skin color. So next we have the theme of courage. So in this lesson we can see that with our courage we can achieve anything. We can conquer our fear by the help of our courage. It took a lot of courage to fight for our rights, even after suffering a lot of physical and mental trauma. This lesson teaches us that courage makes things possible. Next, we have the theme of love and humanity. So, the belief of Nelson Mandela teaches us that teaches us to learn to love humanity and humans. It teaches us to respect all the human beings, regardless their race, gender, and class. So, it is all about this lesson. Hope you all have got some insights about the life of Nelson Mandela and this lesson. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the Sane Circle and press the bell icon to get notified and learn more.